Hi everyone, welcome to ApeSwap Finance Platform, and today I'll be showing us the guides and steps to follow so that you can trade ApeSwap Finance Platform on your mobile phone. To use ApeSwap Finance Platform on your mobile phone, you need to set up a Dapp browser either on MetaMask, IM Token, Token Pocket, or Trust Wallet app. So for this tutorial, you will need to download the Trust Wallet app, set up a multi-coin wallet, and then visit the Dapp browser where you paste apeswap.finance. After you are on the website, the first step is to click on connect. Then you choose Trust Wallet options. As you can see, there are several wallet options for you, so we are using Trust Wallet, so you click on Trust Wallet. I have connected to ApeSwap Finance Platform. To trade on ApeSwaps, there are three rectangular lines at the top left corner of the home page. You click on the three rectangular lines, you click on trade, then you click on exchange. Everything depends on how fast and good your internet network provider is. So the next step is to select your trade pair. You select a coin you want to buy. For this trade, I'll be buying ApeSwap banana coin. Just to show you how it works, you click on banana. I'll be buying one banana, so you insert the amount you are willing to buy. It could be 1, it could be 10, it could be 100 banana tokens. So you click on 1, then you click on swap. Before you swap, if you are willing, you can improve the slippage percentage on ApeSwap Finance Platform. You do that by clicking the settings logo right here above the trade pairs. 1% is good. So you click on swap to purchase banana tokens. Then you click on confirm swap. You need to have enough BNB for gas and purchase, and you need to have BUSD in case you trade more with BUSD pair. You approve your transaction and authenticate it. I usually teach that it is best to approve your transactions with your fingerprint or your Face ID. That way it is quick, fast, and precise. Well, the swap is done and I have easily bought banana tokens on ApeSwap Finance Platform. If you want to sell banana tokens back to BNB, all you have to do is click on the switch in the middle of BNB and banana. It will switch up the tiles. Then you click on maximum banana. You approve banana. You sign a transaction for approval. And then you click on swap. After it has approved, it will sell your banana to BNB that way. It is very easy to use the ApeSwap Finance Platform. very good exchange, low charges, and it's one for the future. Stay tuned for more information.